ohwe iPhone 14 lineup no munya release officially munya release ohwe Apple no mu release iPhones bia iPhones no hwe no bebre international service frame ohwe metenten Apple for the 4K by videography ultimate 4K videos iPhone 6 no mo the 4K by but to see no still no munya upgrading free 4K iPhone 13 or 4K 12 or 4K according to sources bebre no iPhone 14 Pro no mo de ba no over videography ma omo upgrade akọ 8K na sources bebre ka say omo upgrade akọ 8K at 24 frames per second enti eneye upgrade as say na Apple for the about videography nim no since omo the flyer na omo the be release phone no that's 7th September this month that's next week since some of the flyer neighbor a month for break say the satellite feature be by iPhone 14 lineup make a satellite feature you find so called iPhone 14 maybe now call baby a network like phone you said network phone in your now be a munya network ubetime use satellite na etim direct calls ubetime the text messages and rumors nipa do na e ka ho asem and as I say no so no omo iPhone 14 to say 13 mini na 12 mini no it's omo mini na free omo de 14 max iPhone 14 ade na me expect here amante wireless power sharing me ka wireless power sharing na me purchase say I find say e be me Samsung phone we me wo battery wo me Samsung phone we and iPhone 11 Pro Max we power ni like iPhone 11 Pro Max we call battery but we no me what power be brave be about 90% now we ni say 2% me percent charge we na me atwe power every iPhone me Samsung we their core iPhone we meaning say no say me turn it on power wireless power sharing no na me the iPhone no attract but iPhone to a chair if you say iPhone charge at the same time no no we use iPhone 8 crown iPhone 8 no wireless charging feature na bia nti o the to a chair but you say air charge you o the to a chair o say charge sanity nti any feature we use XX Max crown na we betimi iPhone XX Max no we betimi the attach or the to a chair and a charge no the same iPhone wireless charging meaning say wireless pad be a charger no one saw the phone to so everything charge but all power was not so charge will be iPhone na this will be a Samsung a support wireless power sharing no only bit me charge your phone and then create feature me expect but official date ne bit me say Apple for back account bit me say iPhone 14 Pro models in ho bi but me ngin say be a account and iPhone 14 no ebenya 30 watts charging iPhone 13 Pro Max ne bitimi a charge 27 watts but iPhone 14 Pro model now mo dia ba no e bitimi a charge 30 watts but difference in share ni about charging watts ma difference in share ni but e bitimi aba say Apple for a release phone na e bitimi ka say mo be ka say e be 45 watts and a feature be ma Apple for their barrier always on display ne phone da ho na ungizi a obon say features no obon say a show e be a notification when your notification bra phone na near black no and na e say iPhone 4 dia ba na make say no iPhone 4 the huge difference about camera system iPhone 4 the huge difference about cause since iPhone 4 started iPhone X what 12 megapixels 11, 12, 13, 12, 12, 12, 14 a day, almost man 48 megapixels. To me, say ubenya bigger picture. O charge na, utumu say any day at the home. To my iPhone lovers na mo pay video shooting, TikTok, Instagram no. Which they say iPhone 14 Pro you know, everywhere cause we try picture no to say we try video no ne pictures not to I need the whole cause ubetimi zoom ya bo say still no be hu nipa na ni cause because of say megapixels na den e was show megapixels no a more higher picture say megapixels no was show and no we try picture utumu say picture no file no size no e was show cause megapixels no was show we picture no size na den and so cause a more details no utimi zoom ya na unya details na picture no so dey any da ho the mount ade ba ko a me pe Apple phone no say ya na mo products na durable cause anything bia no omo make sure some release software update omo continuously because we since iPhone 6 release by still the software update at the bar which means say anything be no money war phone no na hardware so the phones in so no durable into anything be no my phone here check. We have some specifications. iPhone 14 Pro being 61-inch OLED display resolution no and no that's 2532 x 1170 at 120 refresh rate promotion and a RAM no 6 gig RAM and a best tier free ni internal memory no a best tier free 128 gig 256 512 na 1 terabyte and a E16 Bionic chipset aluminum body and a triple camera with LiDAR sensor and a battery size na so na and a dahono and now okay the price na base model the best tier free $1,099 out $60 near 10 series no what the baganas come does 100 million 99 Ghana since you say 110 million cause so what she pay for Ghana and you say 125 million piano iPhone 14 Pro to start in that 128 gig you know the price no until iPhone 14 best tier free be 9,000 and iPhone 14 Max the best tier free be about 10,000 na iPhone 14 Pro the best tier free be about 125 that's 125 million that's 125 million to scan America and iPhone 14 Pro Max the best tier free bit tier free it be 150 million 140 million and see minim say obi beka say with the Pro to come come to top Pro to patch e just say with me for Pro to pictures nti ade bia woni adwuma ebetimi aye anything na bo na tesa no ba obi kwa to iPhone or the betwa portrait or the betwa video upload ya to Instagram ade man na ni je no nti na me can't me for Pro to portrait nti me for Pro intro video nti me for Pro enye sa no ma na iPhone betimi aye no nti price na wo no any news be update wo ha nti update be ma channel ways until your first time about subscribe the channel with the videos baby proud the passive video way on the budget video way for the techintwi on Facebook YouTube here subscribe the channel no with the videos baby proud with the videos here we're gonna happy we are there unim ade na wo ye no